Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we will learn something very useful.
How to ask for help in English.
That's right. Asking for help is very important. Don't worry if you feel shy. We will go slowly.
Yes, and we will give you simple sentences you can use anywhere.
Let's start with simple sentences.
You can say, "Can you help me, please?" "Could you help me? I need some help, please."
Repeat after me. Can you help me, please?
Good. Now try, "I need some help, please."
Excellent. These sentences are polite and easy to use. Let's practice a short dialogue.
"Excuse me. Can you help me, please?"
Yes, of course. What do you need?
"I don't understand this question."
No problem. I will explain it slowly.
"Thank you."
You're welcome.
It feels good to ask for help, right?
Yes, and people are usually happy to help.
You can ask for help in many places. For example, in a store. "Excuse me, where's the bathroom?" "Can you help me find this item?"
Let's practice.
"Excuse me, where's the bathroom?"
It's over there, near the door.